As the Ballarat Gov Hub construction progresses, you can really get a feel for how the building will sit in the city's skyline. At the southern end of the site, the mass timber structure is coming together, showing the beautiful blonde colours of the engineered beams, columns and floors. The concrete walls of the lift shafts and emergency stairs slowly edge skywards as steelworkers install structural steel members to the composite concrete structure connected to the core. The timber floor of level 1 is into its finishing touches, as more timber beams and columns are delivered onto site to be installed for level 2.
So we've got a combination of glulam and CLT on this project. The glulam itself is being used in a column, main beam and secondary situation. And we've got a CLT floor plate, which is a cross-laminated timber floor plate. We've got a concrete podium on ground floor. We've got columns, glulam columns of concrete podium, and then levels 1, 2, 3, 4 with a CLT floor plate and glulam columns and beams. So at GovHub, we're using proprietary connectors. We've got in the vicinity of 750,000 individual connectors on this project. And as we move up through the building, the columns and the main beams are held on by aluminium bracketry that are fixed to the column and then held in place with 16mm dowels that run through 2 flanges on the column. And then we've got CLT floor plate that's connected with a variety of different size screws at different angles into the secondary beams.
Stay tuned for more video updates on this exciting project.